Hello everyone, this is Sunisha Harshni, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Department GC. Today I am going to represent on the topic push down automata part 2. In this slides I am giving the example of push down automata. So how to construct the what is a push down automata? I have already told you in my previous slides. Now I am considering more example related to the PDA, means how to construct a push down automata for the given language. Suppose we have a language L equals to L W reverse. W belongs to A comma B plus, means W does not contain null value. W is a combination of A and B, means A and B plus means W contain any combination related to A and B, either symbol A, either symbol B, or any combination of A and B. So we have to construct the push down automata for the language W reverse. Basically, what is the meaning of W reverse? That the string in the first position and the second position is the reverse of the first position. Like some example I have given, that like A B B A B A B A double A B B double A. This the black part represent W and A part represent W reverse. Like if first part is A, then the reverse part also a A. Similar with if first part is B, the reverse also a B. First part is A B, the reverse of A B is B A. Similar with A A B, the reverse part is B A A. So how to construct the PDF for that languages with that strings, means, so if we are thinking about like that, when A comes, then again A come, then we pop the A. For the BB, when B comes, for again B, we push pop the B. For the third ones A B B A, we push A into the stack, then B into the stack. Again when the V comes, we just pop out the V, then for the A, pop out the A, because the first element of the string and the last element of the string is same. There is some middle point. After that, the reverse of the string will be started. So answer, like we have to consider PDF for this tuple Q sigma under Q0 Z and F. Q is the Q0, Q1, Q0, and sigma is AB. Then this is the basic step to construct the PDA. So after showing that string A B B B B, the basic idea is behind it that we have to construct this PDA into the 3 steps. First step is push W onto the stack, like push W part of the every W part into the stacks. This is the first step. Second one is the guess the middle of the string, means where the reverse of the string is started, we have to guess that thing. The third one is the match the W or reverse string against the content, means the string which we push into the stack. After guessing the middle, we have to match the content of pushing stack and the reverse string. If the string is matched, then this is accepted by PDF. So this is the 3 steps which I have mentioned to construct the PDF for the W reverse. First step is the how to push the W onto the stack. Suppose the stack has a last symbol Z. We know, or we have already known the last symbol of the stack is Z. Suppose if the A comes, A push into the stack. If the B comes, B also push into the stack. There may be some other chances like A after A comes, after A B comes, after the B A comes, or after the B comes. These are all the chances by the A and B. Means if the A comes, A push into the stack. If the B comes, B push into the stack. If the A comes after the B, also push the stack. If the B comes after the A, also push into the stack. Second one is the middle of the stack, means how to be considered the middle of the stack. So guessing the middle of the string, this is known as when the Q0 the lambda is given for the A, change the next state and push, then removing from the A from the symbol. This is similar with the B steps. Means in the guessing of the metal, we just move from Q0 to the Q1. Nothing will be done for guessing the middle of the strings. Match the W against the content. Suppose we are just pushing, we have already pushed the values onto the stack. We guess the middle. After that, we have to check that whether the string is the reverse of the thing which we have already pushed into the stack. So by checking the string, like if A comes, if on the Q1 state the A comes at the time of A in the top of the stack, then remove. If the B comes on the, if the B comes B on the top of the stack, remove. But this will done on the Q1 and this will done on the Q0. These states are the different. Push W onto the stack onto the Q0 step, and checking the content or guessing the middle of the string is done on the Q1 state. So finally, if the Q1 Z and Q1 lambda Z equals to Q2 Z, means we reach to the final state QZ, then this will accept, this language is accepted by the PDA, otherwise this will not be accepted by the PDA. This is the sequence of move in accepting A, B, B, A. Suppose we have a string A, B, B, A. In the initial state, we just push the A into the Z. In the next step, we just push B into the Z. So this is what we push in the W onto the stack. Now I am guessing the mid of the stack. So for guessing the mid of the stack, we just move to the from state Q0 to the Q1. After reaching the state Q1, we just pop out the symbol. Like for B, pop out the B. For A, pop out the A. So the last symbol is Q1 lambda Z, which is tends to Q2 Z. This is how we can judge that this language is accepted by PDA or not, or how we can construct the PDA. This will be learned by this video. Thank you.